Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm in my kitchen. This video is something kind of different. I haven't posted any cooking video on my YouTube as I'm not a cook or something. I'm not into cooking, but nowadays I'm only eating healthy food because I'm sick and tired of eating the same kind of things again and again. So I'm trying something new. I am making pancakes for the first time, so I thought why not make a YouTube video as well. So here I am. Now without further ado, let's get started. Here are all the ingredients. I have taken them out already and I'll link the ingredients and the recipe as well in the description, so you can check the description. Now let's get started. So the first thing that I'm using is Australian quick oats. अगर ये कहीं मिल गया तो मैं इसको लिंक कर दूंगी. So I've taken it out in the jug और अब मैं इसको ग्राइंड करूंगी. With grinding, ये powder form में हो गया oats. Now I'll add in this powder sugar. I'll add chocolate syrup because why not? If you don't like chocolate syrup तो you can skip this, but मेरे को अच्छा लगता है, so I'm adding. And I'm also adding whey protein. It's from Food Strong. It's in chocolate smoothie flavor. Adding dry fruits. Also adding honey. Adding milk, half glass, and then let's grind. Is ready. Let it sit for 5 minutes. I'm cleaning the kitchen. So I have cleaned the kitchen और मैंने सब कुछ वापस भी रख दिया. अगर मैं अभी नहीं रखती तो बाद में फिर मेरा मन नहीं करता है, इसलिए मैं साथ साथ सब कर देती हूँ. Now 5 मिनट हो गए हैं. लेट्स मेक द पैनकेक्स. फर्क पड़ गया, पहले से थोड़ा थिक हो गया है, रखने के बाद पड़ता है. हेयर आई हैव ऑलिव ऑयल, guys, I'm done making the pancakes and बहुत ही अच्छे बने और बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी भी लग रहे हैं. Very easy to make and go to healthy snack. You should also try. So now I'll enjoy my pancake. You know what you have to do: like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This was it. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day.